I decided I wanted to give triathlon a go.
Shows how good of an event it is that you can just turn up, have a go and have a crack.
She felt part of an event.
The Try Dewi project is a Welsh Government funded initiative. It's about getting people active across Wales on St David's Day and celebrating everything Wales and being Welsh.
At Welsh Triathlon we have a very clear purpose, which is to enhance the well-being of current and future generations through triathlon. For these events across Wales today, the idea is to build a sense of community, a sense of pride in Wales and a sense of enjoyment and fun that comes from triathlon.
Triathlon can be a sport where people have a perception that it's expensive, it's hard to do, it's hard to get into, but that's not the case. Entry fees can be as little as £3 to enter. You don't need all the kit.
I decided I wanted to give triathlon a go. This seemed like a good opportunity due to the fact that it's more about trying out triathlon and transitioning and so on, rather than going for a time.
Shows how good of an event it is that you can just turn up and everything is ready for you to just have a go and have a crack, and we enjoyed it, didn't we?
Mi a ffrindiau fi yn ddiweddar wedi ymuno ar clwb triathlon a mae'n mwynhau e lot a fi'n trio cael mwy o fy ffrindiau yr ysgol I ymuno ar clwb I cael hwyl pob dydd Sul.
Even just on the run, there was people going past and shouting like, well done, like, keep going girls, and they were all from different tri clubs. So I think it's the first time I've actually felt part of
an event,
triathlon, a community outside of our club.
You know, from different towns, but in events like this, local towns. So everyone's Welsh, just getting together and just having a good time, really.
Yeah.
Dyma trydydd tro fi yn neud triathlon, achos ar dydd Sul pob wythnos fi'n neud y triathlon club yn Mewn, a fi'n cael ei neud lot o ffrindiau, coaches neis, a mae'n just neis I fel cwrdd â pobl newydd a siarad I pobl, a mae'n just cystadleuaeth gwych iawn.
I think it's just like nice to do something with the community. And I mean, as someone who takes part in triathlons myself, when I don't do it, I think it's quite nice to go to the events and see everyone else do it.
The funding that our Welsh Government has provided us has allowed us to put on events across Wales and allowed us to engage with people that wouldn't normally be doing triathlon, which we hope will increase their well-being, that will enhance their sense of pride in their community and generally help current and future generations in Wales.